Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. I have spent a considerable amount of time scrolling through Pinterest in my teenage, so I thought of recreating some pictures that we see on Pinterest for today's video. The rule is that I would be going through my day normally as I do, and I would take inspiration from Pinterest and try to recreate them. So we will start with our breakfast. I'm just having a coffee right now, so I will scroll through Instagram to find an inspiration, and this picture seems to be of my interest, and I actually find this very aesthetic to see. So we will try to recreate this picture. Firstly, I love coffee, and we will first add some coffee paste, and then we will be adding some milk to form a coffee concoction. After that, we will be beating some air in the milk so that it becomes frothy, and then we will add the milk and the froth on top, and then sprinkle some cocoa powder. Looks so gorgeous, but I don't know what I did here. This is what the coffee looks like. We will try to make it look more beautiful. This is what the coffee looks like. I think it looks gorgeous, as you can see. I've also added a piece of chocolate. Then this is my coffee for today. And this is how it has turned out to be. I think I did a fairly good job. I kind of like the picture. It looks good to me. Comment down your thoughts and views about these pictures, please. We are done with coffee. We will be taking a shower and changing the outfit. You don't see clothes like these on Pinterest, so we will pick something which is very aesthetic to see, and we will now check Pinterest, and I hope I have something similar to it or something like that. So let's go on Pinterest. So I have a few options over here. So one thing that I noticed here is that everything is color coordinated, in the sense the bottom and the top are of the same color. So we will have to find something like that, but I don't think I have something. So guys, this is what I'm wearing for today's Pinterest day in my life, and I tried to make it look aesthetic, and I don't know if it is looking good or not. I didn't wash my hair because I will have to work out in the evening, so I'll get all sweaty and I'll have to take a bath again. So I'll wash my hair at that time. That is it. Now we will go and sit down for online classes, and we'll try to make that thing also look pretty. Since we are done with the bath and the outfit, now we will go and have our breakfast. For breakfast, my mom has made pav bhaji, so we'll try to make that thing look like something which we see on the Pinterest. I kind of like it, but this is not something which I would wear at home, because it's firstly white and I don't want to get the t-shirt dirty. Secondly, I like to be in pajamas, but this thing is very comfortable. I like it. It is comfortable, so yeah. After selecting the outfit, we will be making some brunch or lunch or whatever you want to call it for ourselves. For lunch, I'm having some pav bhaji and I love it. And I went on Pinterest to look for some pav bhaji pictures, and this is what I found. And this looks pretty good to me, and we can recreate this because I have the same plate as you can see in the picture. So let's recreate this picture. I'm prepping some coriander leaves and onion and some sliced lemon. And we will now just put some gravy and pav, and that's it. This one was very simple to do, and then we will click some pictures. This is what my pav bhaji looks like. The inspiration was this picture right here. I think this turned out to be pretty good and I have no complaints. Now moving further, we will be taking some work pictures which I asked my brother to take. I searched for work pictures on Instagram and I got this one which I think I can recreate. Yep. So this is what I wanted to recreate. So the problem is that this picture is an overhead picture and I don't have anyone to help me. I'll ask my brother. I don't know if he'll do it or not, but I wanted to recreate this because it has a black diary which I have, specs which I have, a pen and laptop, and that is it. This picture actually has a coffee, but I have finished my coffee. I'll be using my water bottle, and that is it. We'll see. ये अच्छे से देख लो. ऐसे नहीं, बस इसका आना चाहिए. इसी में तुम सैंपल दिखा दो, ऐसा आना चाहिए. तो मेरे सर के ऊपर से लो, इधर से. तुम्हारा नहीं लूं, मेरा भी लो, पर सिर्फ सर दिखना चाहिए और कुछ नहीं, पूरा बॉडी नहीं. इधर स्टूल पे खड़े हो जाओ. And as you can see, the pictures are a little out of focus and there's nothing I could do about it. So this was a bummer and I don't like this picture at all. So guys, it is 5:15 p.m. and now I will go and work out. I'm in my kitchen because I'm going to get the water bottle. I'm thinking of recreating 2-3 pictures. As you can see, first is this one and the other one is this one. I'm thinking of bringing this bottle because this one looks very similar to the one which is in the picture. So this is the bottle that we are going to take. Now it's evening, that is, it is workout time and we will be creating some workout pictures. I took out some easy pictures to click so that I don't have to do so much of hassle. So I started prepping for the pictures. I laid my yoga mat and all the dumbbells and the workout equipments that I have. I did this in my parents' room because it was more spacious than my room, and this is how the pictures turned out to be. Now I'm prepping for the second picture, which is basically of my legs, and there are certain things laid down on the mat. That is it. Again, a simple picture to recreate, and this is how it has turned out to be. So guys, I'm cooking right now. I'm cooking dinner. I'm making some vegetables in hot garlic sauce and fried rice for dinner. So let us see how it turns out to be. I have quite a lot of time today because it is just 8 o'clock right now. So I will make this. So I have added gobi and capsicum. That is it. I will coat this with this white thing, and then we will shallow fry the vegetables. I think I will have to use my hand. Again, for dinner, I wanted to cook something Chinese, and that is why I chose fried rice and some vegetable in hot garlic sauce, because it is easy to make for me. So guys, this is what I made for dinner. This is what is this? This is stir-fried vegetables in garlic sauce, and this is veg fried rice. Actually, this is veg Szechuan fried rice, and it looks so good and yummy. I got this picture from Pinterest itself. I'll put it. So yeah, looks good. We'll eat. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below which one is your favorite picture amongst these. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.